hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
Wetin be that?
Wetin be this? Why you go give me this small thing out of that big bread? Wetin be this now?
You know, when your mama born you like this, when the boss start say, hey, congratulations, as I see your face, when you squeeze mouth, I know say you be like Judas Iscariot. I give you 2 loaf of bread. Say, you know say na this 2 loaf of bread now. You know say na this your take feed how many people? 5,000 people. This 2 loaf of bread now I give only you say make you chop. I see the way you dey shout. Say I see the way you dey shout.
The 2 loaf for that time, e big pass this bread now. What kind thing be this now?
E big pass this bread.
You fit chop am?
No problem, bring am if you no chop. Dey place. I give where is some. See she dey come again. Make we go meet am. Make we go meet am.
No be chief just pass. Where give us money? Why you want top am?
E be like say suffer never tire you. Suffer never tire you. Abi how much you give us that time? No be only 2,000 naira. Make we go meet am now. We go just wine am. Go give us. Wait. Where's my Stout dey?
He never come.
He still never come. No problem. If he come late next week again, he don't lose his job. Stop. No dey shoot it all. Dey shoot for person wey don do work for you before. Stop there lele. No dey shoot. Put down your phone. You no get it. Right in. Shasa. Brother, pray out the chop. Sorry, are you okay? Sorry the way you watch it. I tell you, don't shoot. You can see that if we know your motto. He's shooting.
What Officer Shaggi, what happened?
Nothing will happen, no. Nothing happen. That's why I'm telling him that we don't have any evidence against you.
I thought I've settled you people when I was doing that.
That time that you pass. That's why it's not like we are here to collect money. You understand? If for your own safety, that's why we're on this road because you know things happen. You understand? At that time that you give us money, it's past test. Because that's past test. What now? Right now we are in future percent test. That's how we say. Just imagine, that time that you give us money as you go. You understand? Let's thank God for now because now is the future. That's why they say we are leaders of tomorrow because tomorrow is the future that we are looking at. For example, now what if as you go you have died? Yeah! you understand what I'm saying?
Die?
No, I'm not like it's not like it's a example. Like okay, my bad. So that I won't be as if I'm using it to be personal. For example, now let's choose officer. Okay, as you go now. At that time you give us money, you know I have passed. But as you go, before you come back, maybe I'm robber and fraud. They shoot officer, we say Osophagus, you have died.
Wait, we can't rubbish talk with this one now. Why you go to compare me with that kind of thing? No, they use me for that kind of example. You don't get body ni.
We dey craze. You don't even thank God, say I used to do example, you know thank God. What? You don't even what if they shoot on Osophagus? Are you not supposed to thank God? You know that when they shoot on Osophagus, your focal cord will open. All this way they stammer, you no go stammer again. You know thank God. Or there. Before they sound like radio where they forget for AIT station for 1988.
Officer Shaggi,
sir?
Stop bullying him.
No, I'm not bullying him.
Stop bullying.
I'm not bullying him. Shebi you see when they talk to a superior engineer, what do I do? I keep short because that's what they teach us in first. Respect is reciprocal. I will not say anything.
You're right. Find something for you.
No, Chief. No, Chief. I will not let you do that. Chief, you know what? Because I want to let you know the Nigeria Police Force is a security force that we know what we are doing. We don't take bribe. Yeah! We don't take bribe. You have already given us money that time from your mind. Don't worry. I don't want it to be like
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
No, Chief, wait. You have already bring it out. If you not bring it out now, it's another case. But when you bring it out, it's like when you bring your glory out now, you now return it. Yeah! God will not return your glory. You know what? Just bring it. So for next time, don't bring it out.
I thought you said since I've...
No, it's a warning. Next time, don't do that.
What happened is,
it's an insult.
For 3 of you, people should share it, okay?
3 of you.
3 of you.
3 of you. It's only me and Officer who will share it.
You and your colleague. 3 of you.
Thank you, sir.
Small Stout. Where you go, sis?
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend, no problem. Sir, you can go. Okay. You can go. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, sir.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Chief.
Thank you very much.
Smart out. Wait till you say do your girlfriend.
Hey, my girlfriend just dey purge since morning, no. She wake up, just the first way just dey complain. You see, belle. When the one that say wetin dey cause this belle, I can't go buy different medicine. Can't buy different medicine. Now until somebody can say, okay, go buy post-P.
Post-P.
I can't go buy post-P medicine for her.
Oh, no problem, no problem. The person is supposed to tell you, say, make her go post office.
Hey! Okada lo ko si jo. Who know the money for Nigeria now?
Hey,
see, this driver, you don't say teach you your head, Abi. You dey drive, you know they even look front, you just drive anyhow. They look front, oh.
Abaye ne ife bàjẹ́ ni.
Aye, yàrá jẹ́ ẹ ma bàjẹ́ ni.
All your load wey dey this house, na go carry go outside.
You wan pack my things? Na hire purchase be the motor now. I no pay. I never pay finish.
Now all your things I go pack throw away outside.
Allah si bieda.
Don't tell you.
Give her. Very good. Yo, fam, I swear to God, I cannot hear what you are saying. Can you hear it? No. Hey, you are bumping.
You wan pack my own things outside.
All your things.
Oh yeah now.
All your things now I go pack throw away.
Pack am.
Shebi you say you stubborn, Abi? Don't worry, I go show you why na me be that Lagos landlord.
Oh yeah, the people downstairs. Who they live downstairs? No be Yahoo they do.
And
no
so?
Be Yahoo. Gbogbo alama sọ wọn ni.
Just dey smoking, go kura. You no get sense on you this driver. You no get sense.
Wo ayé ma bàjẹ́ ni. But the way when you just come inside dey disturb my own work. Wo when I reach house you go hear am. You go. Ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ sí jàre kí ló ṣe ẹ máa bọ́ọ̀lù ẹnu mọ́tò mi tẹ́ máa fẹ́ lọ bí tẹ́ ń lọ.
This is to teach you that punctuality is what? It's a punctuality defect. Because if we don't teach you now, you come late on your wedding day. And we cannot allow that. Afterwards, flag is goddamn brain. No problem. Hey! I'm sorry. Hey! See that bus wey dey come. Stop and na Yahoo driver.
Ṣé pé ìdílé ń bá ẹja ni? Ẹgbẹ́ ìdílé ń bá ẹja ni? Why go jump for road like that? Ibẹ̀ jam you go.
So you wan jam policeman, wan jam officer of the law.
Má jam yẹ ẹ. Má rí báṣubàṣu.
Calm down. You no ma ṣẹ́gun farabalẹ̀. At least you see officer of the law want to jam us. Wetin dey do you sef?
Wetin you want?
Ọkọlà.
You dey crazy? I never tell you make you call me Ọkọlà.
Who call you Ọkọlà na? I say Ọkọlà. Calm down. Your blood too dey hot. Me I no like all this one o.
Make comot this thing make I dey go jare. What of this nonsense?
Oh, you are searching for a police officer. You are searching for a man in uniform. Are you writing?
Oh, dear mommy,
no problem.
Who
said it? Our body cap is recorded. Anything you say will be used against you in court of law.
Ẹ kọ́ sí jare.
No problem. Where's your particulars?
Oh, mommy, oh. Má ṣe yá ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ sí o. Má ṣe yá ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ sí o.
That's offense. Hey, if you touch me again, that's offense number 1 for touching a man in uniform. Do you know you sleep in jail for 25 years?
Yeah!
Very good. Offense number 2. Where is the fire extinguisher of this bottle? You don't have an extinguisher. No problem. And you are smoking. Want to endanger the life of everybody in the body. So you can see that you are carrying Reverend Mother. If this Reverend Mother, if she die now, do you know that when she goes to heaven, there will be war. All the angels will come to Nigeria to come and fight war to. Do you know you are going to cause third world war between heaven and earth? Yeah! Which have not happened since 19 AD before the birth of Jesus Christ. Do you know what that means? You are going to put this word of earth inside history. Do you know that?
Oh, yeah,
do you know that?
No vex. See as na jump na for jam now. Make I dey go.
Oh, so now you can beg. See, you making mouth with all your anger issues. Now because say you are a citizen of Nigeria. If I know what to do to you, now this is supposed to start from beginning. Give us something. May come up for your job. Which I will give you waiting. You don't know waiting. You give us something.
Come on, half for you. I no get anything where I go give you. Come on, road make I dey go.
You don't get anything. What I was, I flood everybody for this bus. Who do for it in the place? Wait to be here. Wait to be here. As I was, if you don't offload this bus, every single person that living inside the bus, every living thing, every living soul in this bus, if you don't bring it down now, it will not be better for you. Now me say you no go give. Now me they follow it. Why they do like this? Abi, drive this bus, come up for you. If I will not shoot your goddamn brain, me and the follow it. They do like this. You know that power pass power. No, nobody should beg me. Nobody. I was talking to him. Everybody is saying what? As if it's on his side. Is he right? What did he say?
He's wrong?
Very good. You are a two woman of God. It's wrong.
Officer, I get meeting.
Wait till I with your meeting. Very good. I like the way you talk. Oh, it's because of you now. Where is your parish? Ajegule. I see. That's why you know iron your uniform. No problem.
No problem. Trenches. No light for trenches.
Say you people cannot toss us into his vein.
God! This was the best police, sir. God, and I tell you, sir, I no go beat person again.
Don't tell me to plead, because when I was talking that time, everybody is doing like my own is too much. No problem. He will come down here, kneel down and beg me.
Officer, my wife dey labor. My wife dey labor.
Your wife dey labor. Na me give her belle. Tell Yawere. Labor call labor party. If I shoot or so far goes, tell your driver to come and kneel down here.
Say people don't beg you.
Man, you can't kneel down, beg
You
you.
don't do now, officer.
Say you be God.
Who dey talk? Na mosquito be that.
If you don't film again, ìlàyé mi, ọlọ́pàá, ó dárí ọlọ́pàá.
You step outside the law. Yes. Oh, because he's brief. Let me tell you, that's the work of God. It's God that say, let me summarize him.
When I come out, hold that. Come on!
Wait, my bad.
Talk again.
My bad. I take full responsibility of that. Spot out. Don't go punish you.
Stand up. Where the dance? I said make you dance, my
That's
boy.
what we
It's
talk.
good for you to dance.
I
said dance.
No problem. Mo ti jẹ ya. Mo dẹ̀ ti rí wèrè.
They dance, I said make
Mo
you
ti
dance.
jẹ ya. Mo dẹ̀ ti rí wèrè. Mo ti jẹ ya. Go go punish you. No. Mo ti jẹ ya. Mo dẹ̀ ti rí wèrè.
Dance anyway. Your ears should not shake, oh.
He dey shake.
They dance till I come back, oh.
Ta?
They dance till I come back.
Which side did they go?
Kútọ̀nù.
Gigeti.
Oya burúdi. Gẹ́gẹ́ ti wèrè wo. I'm a fucking dead soup.
Original mumu kosa.